What's good, YouTube? I'm Cyril Hall, and welcome back to my channel where the voice is deep and the shoes are cheap. Today we got a special package in from a seller called Stockxshoes VIP, the GOAT, someone I got a lot of pairs from. I got a sick Louis Vuitton box in front of me. Feel free to mention me, Enzo, for a discount when you go ahead and cop from them. Just mention Enzo. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I went ahead and took them out of the box. It was a big box, came in the orange box. I got the LV Tims. These are crazy. Take a look at that quality. I've owned many retail pairs of Tims in the past, and these are up there. You can see the embossed monogram all over the uppers of this shoe. Super clean, really nice leather quality. Even says, let me zoom in right there. Says Louis Vuitton right on those lace locks. The lace itself are gorgeous. On the tongue itself, it has the LV Paris, and then when you peel it down, it has that monogram right there too, which is super clean. Came with a little keychain, the LV little right there, the little LV logo right there. Super nice suede on this pair of shoes, super high quality. Go ahead and cop these from Stockxshoes VIP. Like I said, mention me Enzo for a discount. I buy a ton of pairs from them. If you want to see other pairs, you can check out my Instagram. Feel free to follow me on my Discord as well, where I'm always helping out people there. Stockxshoes is the go-to seller. Thanks again. Peace.